Our today's module is pronoun. Pronoun is used instead of a noun. Whenever we begin our writing, so obviously our writing begin with the parts of speech of a noun. Then repeating the noun over and over again, we have to use pronoun, which is known as the parts of speech. There are certain kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun means specific people or things. Personal pronoun is used for specific people or things. It is used for things. Okay, then in personal pronoun, with the personal pronoun we have certain categories like subjective, objective. Subject means the doer of the action. For example, I have never been to Karachi. In this sentence, the action is performed by the I not going to Karachi. Then there is now pronoun is objective. Object means the receiver of the action. Here the teacher has taught lesson the teacher has taught them a lesson. So here them is objective pronoun. Then there is possessive. Possessive shows the ownership, like this copy is yours. Here yours is possessive pronoun. Keep in mind that possessive pronouns mostly come at the end of the sentence. Then reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun mostly refers back to subject as well as it emphasize on subject. For example, we completed the project by ourselves. So here ourselves is emphasizing we. Then there is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used for specific things. This is demonstrative pronoun are used for specifying things. For example, this is my car. Whenever we write this, and after this, if we write noun like this car is mine, then here this will be demonstrative adjective. If after this we write any verb, then there this will be demonstrative pronoun. Then there is interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means asking questions. For example, what are you planning to do this weekend? Here what has asked a question. Then relative pronoun. Relative pronoun is used to introduce relative clause and shows link with the main class. The examples have been given of the relative clause: who, whom, whose, which, that. This is the book that I was talking about. Now here in relative clause, what the sentence has done, it has shown the relation of the book that I was talking about. Okay, now there is a difference between using that and which in relative clause. Whenever we use that, it means our sentence is essential, which is known as restrictive clause. If we use which, it means we are adding more informations which are not necessary. Then that sentence will be known as non-restrictive clause. Okay, so that is used with the restrictive clause, when essential information is used, and when which is used, it means the information is non essential. Okay, it adds more details which are not necessary putting in the sentence. Then there is indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun shows non-specific pronoun. For example, everyone, anyone, many, each, several. Okay, these are the indefinite pronoun. Everyone was present in the class. Now there is a difference, like in indefinite pronoun there are singular pronoun, plural, and the third category is singular as well as plural. So here singular indefinite pronoun are anyone, everyone, someone, and nobody. These are the singular indefinite pronoun. Singular indefinite pronoun means with these pronouns our verb which we have to use will be singular. Then there is plural indefinite pronoun. Plural indefinite pronoun means these are those pronouns with whom our verb will be plural. Then there is singular and plural indefinite pronoun. It means these are those pronouns in which we have to use both of the verbs, singular as well as plural.